Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with a finger, then just select a couple of applications and click to create the folder. Also, we get one more way how you could do that. Just hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one, and by this way we'll also create successfully the new folder. To give a name to the folder, just tap on the name once and enter the new one, for example the apps. You could also rename it or resize it, just hold it for a while, tap to enlarge to make it bigger, hold it and tap to shrink to make it smaller. To remove the application from here, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, you could remove the application by hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with the sub on the home screen, but if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, hold it and tap to remove, or also you could just ungroup the applications, just tap to remove folder and you'll stay with the subs on the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.